Okay, now let's go to posting it to our ledger, or let's just say let's do a T account for each account ito. So we'll base it on our trial balance first. Okay, so on our trial balance we have ito itong ipakita ganina, refer na lang mo sa inyong problem. Okay, so we have the account title cash. Okay, ato lang ning i-assume. Okay, sa ang normal, ang general ledger is nana siya ingon ani, nana supposed to be ingon ani na date nga column, na particulars nga column, o niya amount na column, isa para sa debit, o niya nana po na siya column para sa ingan na po, isa na po ka set ngayon ani date, particulars, o niya amount column, diri nga side. Okay, diri nga side. Wala man koy mapakita nimo nga sample, or though I can send a picture kung sa linaw. Okay, okay, let's just assume. Okay, let's just make this look like the ledger. Okay, date, particulars, then this is the column for debit. Okay, so yan na po'y line nga column nga date nga column nga particulars, ipatantag tulo ana lang ha, use your imaginations na lang. Okay, so kaning tulo ka column on nya credit. Okay, so anak kutob ang imuhang ledger. So kaning isa ka page siya ani, isa na siya ka account title. Okay, so butang na nato diha sa ibabaw sa kaning nga page unsa siya nga account title. Okay, so for example, let's do the cash. So mahog nga mo na siya naong sa ihang T account, tingana na siya yung T account, mahog na mura na siya, gingon na tanawon hantod sa credit na side. Okay, na T na siya, hantag T na siya. Okay, so isa ka account title, so kani siya tibuok is for cash. Okay, so kani to dire. Okay, cash na siya. Yan na siya ang naong sa ledger. Okay, so isa ka page ni siya. So isa ka page, so baga ni siya dire na para makita nimo nga mo na siya gitawag nga T account. Okay, normally nga na. Okay, but in simplified nga accounting books, usually ang ilang gamito na nila is 3 column ra nga mara siya journal na 3 column lang siya. Kaya ang ika-third nga column is ang balance. Okay, ang third column is balance. Okay, so debit, credit, balance. Okay, para mahog nga ang T account mo is katurang imuhang debit side o credit side, mo na siya imuhang GT silbi debit balance, credit balance. Okay, okay, but for the sake of presentation for this problem, okay, so nga naon na nato para klaro dako putag space. Okay, so mahog nga ang atong trial balance sa last year mo na atong basis para karon, so mo to atong beginning balance. Okay, so mag-start ta og January 1, butang na to beginning balance. Okay, So, pila man ito na si mong trial balance sa 2020. Na siya. 843,300. Okay? Na siya. First, na mong entry, beginning balance. So, unsa man nga mga account na ay beginning balance? Ang kadurang real accounts. Ang mga nominal accounts, wala na sila beginning balance. Kaya ato mang i-close dito sa capital account. Okay? Klaro na ha? Okay. So, after ng beginning balance, ato na itong i-posting tong atong journal entries. Okay. Ano na itong journal entries ha? Okay. So, supposed to be, kung ato ang libro, dapat na natay isa kaingon ani kada page, di ba? Kada account. Okay, sige, himuan lang na to. Pero di lang ta mo himo as tibok nga page kay wala tay space. So, ato lang niya siyang i-divide o kuan. Pila raman to? 10 naman to ka transactions na to. So, posible nga 5 kinadaghanan. Ay, butanan tayo na po. Kay cash money nga account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Para sa balance, sa ending balance. Okay, diharang takotob. Okay. Ito mo end sa atong cash nga account. So next, ato sa ta mag-base na sa atong trial balance. Okay? So sa atong trial balance, ang next nga account is accounts receivable. So, accounts receivable. So, same thing. Dire ang date, particulars, debit, yeah. And then, so, that's atong bungkag sa atong account. Yeah. Date na pod, particulars, credit. Okay, so di man kayo na daghang transaction, let's just end it there. Okay, so next account title, art supplies. Same thing, date, particulars, okay. To save the space, di na lang kung magsuota na ha. Dito na lang ta sa T. Kanirang T, may ako yung butang. Okay, di man na siya daghang transaction. Leave lang tag 4, 5 spaces. Okay, next, prepaid rent. Malang gihapon. Awa man ni actually transaction, di ba? Mamantay. Okay. Nanataw pa. Next, prepaid insurance. So, ako tayo. Next, ito na ta sa next nga page. Okay, hindi naman masiko. Okay, I'll do the same for all. Let's just continue. Okay, continuing on. So, ako naghimuan og ti account tanan. So, art supplies, prepaid rent, prepaid insurance. Okay, so next is transportation equipment, office equipment, accounts payable, notes payable, utilities payable, salaries payable. Okay, salaries payable is not in our trial balance in 2020, but we do have a journal entry which affects the salaries payable, so we added it in. Okay, then unearned painting revenue. Okay, next is LSR capital, LSR drawing, painting revenue, salaries expenses, utilities expense. Then this one don't have in our trial balance, but we added it in because we have a depreciation recognized this year. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so what we need to do now is to post our beginning balances for all the accounts. Okay, so okay, we'll do one by one based on our trial balance. So we have here, we already put in the cash beginning. Then next is accounts receivable. So same thing, January 1 beginning balance, debit, credit, debit, 50,000. Okay, so we don't put anything here. Then next, art supplies, we have balance is 12,000. Okay, so next is prepaid rent. Okay, January 1 beginning balance 35,000. Okay, the next is prepaid insurance. Right. Beginning balance balance 18,000. Okay, so next we have also a debit balance, transportation equipment. So transportation beginning balance we have a debit balance 300,000. Okay, next our office equipment beginning balance 50,000. Okay, so next is our accounts payable. Okay, when we say accounts payable, the trial balance na to, it's a credit balance. So beginning is on the credit side. So this is the column for the date. So January, let's just assume it's a column for the date. Then particulars will be this 3 money column. So beginning balance is 42,000. Okay, then notes payable, also a credit balance, so we put it on the credit side. January 01 beginning balance 200,000. Okay, then utilities also shown in the credit side. So January 1 beginning balance 900. Okay. Then salaries payable. Since this is a new account we added this year, the 2021st. So January 01 beginning balance, we don't have any balance. So we'll put in 0. Okay. Just put 0 like this. Okay. A 0 with 2 dash bouquet, front and back. Okay. So unearned, next is unearned painting revenue. So it's also a credit balance because it's a payable. So January 1 beginning balance amount is 250,000. Okay, so next, LSR capital. Okay, LSR capital, remember that we need to close the previous year's trial balance to our capital account. Okay, so what to do? So the one on the trial balance is not yet the final amount. Okay, so we need to close our net income. Okay, from the problem. Okay, previous problem ha, katong trial balance. So naatay repainting revenue. Ang atong basihan nila nga ni is ang atong income statement. So painting revenue is 350,000. Naatay salaries expense less siya kay expenses. Salaries expense nga 4,500. Natay utilities expense nga 5,100. Okay, so our total expenses would be 9,600. Deduct na to sa kuan, wala naman na. So net income na to sa last year ni ha. Net income is 340,400. Okay, that was our net income last year. So kung ato pa tong gitiwas to atong trial balance last year, kani siya nga net income ato nang i-close sa drawing account. So kung ang drawing account na ay sa trial balance ha, mag-base LSR drawing na siya balance nga debit balance, debit o credit ni ha, debit o credit, shortcut na lang ta. So na siya debit balance nga 25,000. Okay, kani siyang net income atong i-close sa drawing account. So kay credit man ni siya, atong i-credit 340,400. Okay, so mahog nga pila naman ni siya. So total kag 25, total kag 340, i-minus na nimo siya. So pilay balance nato is 340,400 minus 25,000 is a credit balance of 315,400. So mo ni siya ang atong drawing balance. Okay, pero kay i-close man na nato sa capital account, So mag-entry ta nag-close nato. So mag-debit ta og drawing account nga 315,400. Okay? Para zero na sila. Kanis to close net income kani to close drawing account. Okay, so kay balance zero na siya. Okay, so zero na to capital drawing account. So kani i-close man ka na sa kuan. So ang entry ana was LSR drawing 315,400. So credit ka og LSR capital nga 315,400. Okay, so mana siya. So pila na day ang atong capital account kung naatay ang beginning balance nato sa LSR capital was pila to 500,000 credit nga 500,000. Okay, human gi-credit na po nato siya ani og 315,400. So mo yung kuan to close drawing account. So ang total nato sa ato capital account is a credit balance of 815,400. So mo ni siya ang atong beginning nga capital account sa 2020. So okay, dito sa atong capital account. So ang atong January 1 beginning balance is 815,400. Okay, then drawing account is also a nominal account. So January 1, what's ito? Normal balance aning drawing account. Normal balance is debit. Okay, so January 1 beginning balance is 0. Okay, wala tay balance dire. Painting revenue is also a nominal account. Normal balance is credit. So 01 beginning balance is 0. Salaries expense, normal balance is debit. So January 01 beginning balance is 0. Utilities expense also, so beginning balance is debit side. Depreciation expense is also expense account, so beginning balance is also debit. that's posting in the beginning balances of all the account.